Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw tips and tricks. Somebody sent me this logo and wanted to know how to create this in CorelDraw. I'm pretty sure I can do it. So let's take a star. Star is underneath your polygon tool. Holding down the control button to get a perfect star. I'm going to go ahead and hit P and put it at the center of the page, which really doesn't matter, but I get so used to doing it. Then I would take my 3-point curve line, which is underneath your freehand tool, and go from that node to that node, and then just give it a little bit of, I'm watching over to the left, give it a little bit of a curve. Then take another line from that node to that node and try to mimic. It's a little thicker in the center, so let's make sure you're in the center. Let's see how big our star is. It's only 3.5 inches. We're going to set our nudge factor on 5. We're going to take the Smart Fill tool, and I don't know if they wanted those colors, but I'm going to use these colors. And then let's nudge these out of the way. So we have that shape now. Now you need to open up the, you know what, let me put this closer so I can kind of see it. Let's get out the Bevel tool. Go to Effects, Bevel. And let's bevel that. That's a green. Let's bevel it to blue and 1/2 inch. Distance and soft edge. That's too much. Let's go like 0.1. There we go. I mean, it's not the same color. If it has to be the same color, I wonder if we can do this. Get the, no, you know what? Get the color eyedropper tool. Maybe. Take a sample of that. I don't know where we can put it. Okay. We'll figure that out in just a second. Now let's take this and let's see what blue looks like. So let's go to a darker, well, you know what? Let's make that color blue and then go to that color. Yeah, not really thrilled about that. There we go. It's just not the same color, but it is this almost identical in logo. That's even got a flat spot right there. Mine looks pretty good. Let's see if we can change it. Let's try the Smart Fill tool and get the eyedropper. If you have to use those same colors. Okay, now we're going to probably have to re-bevel it. So let's start out with those colors. Smart Fill tool, eyedropper. Okay, now let's re-bevel it. And let's try this one. It's a little dark. This might be the hardest part right here. Can't really see the bevel in that color. It is there. Let's back up and bevel. Well, you know what? Let's try bevel in a white. That's pretty close to that color. The blue, nope. So I don't know if they need those exact colors. I wonder, you know what? Let's do this. Let's start over. Not completely over. Well, okay, now we got the two color. Let's try using an eyedropper. So we want this blue. we want this you know what, let's start with a darker green. And then grab this and go right here. I never realized this has an eyedropper. There we go. That's pretty close. Now take this blue, go down here, take the eyedropper, take a sample of that. That's pretty close. Now let's put a background to it so the bevel kind of shows off. I don't know if they need that, whatever color brown that is. Well, we can do it. Well, when you're gonna have to do something like this, let's nudge that out of the way. We can actually use the color eyedropper tool, get a sample of that, and then nudge that over, go up to Object, Order, Backup Page. My blue is a little darker. The green's it's a little off in color. So maybe just play around with that in your colors. But that's how to draw that logo. Anyway, I hope that helped them a little bit. Thank you for watching.